Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about an amazing African-American inventor named Albert C. Richardson. He lived in the late 1800s and came up with some really smart ideas that made everyday tasks easier for people. Let's dive into his story and discover how his inventions, like the butter churn and improvements to the rolling pin, changed people's lives. Albert C. Richardson was an African-American inventor who lived during a time when many people made things by hand. He noticed that some tasks were hard and took a lot of time, so he wanted to find ways to help make these jobs easier. This curiosity and desire to help others led him to create new tools that would make daily chores simpler and faster. Back in the 1800s, making butter was a long and tiring job. People had to stir cream in a bowl for a very long time until it turned into butter. Albert saw that this was hard work and thought there must be a better way. So he invented a new kind of butter churn. On February 17, 1891, Albert received a patent for his butter churn invention. A patent is a special paper that says only the inventor has the right to make and sell their new idea. His butter churn was a large wooden container with a handle that moved up and down like a plunger. When someone pushed and pulled the handle, it mixed the cream inside until it turned into butter. This made the butter-making process much faster and easier for everyone. Albert didn't stop with the butter churn. He also thought about other kitchen tools that could be better. One of these tools was the rolling pin, which people used to flatten dough when making bread, cookies, or pies. Traditional rolling pins were simple and didn't always work well. Albert made improvements to the rolling pin to help make baking easier and more fun. His new design allowed the rolling pin to roll more smoothly and evenly, which helped bakers create perfect dough every time. This invention showed how Albert's ideas could make a big difference in everyday tasks. Albert C. Richardson was a creative thinker who wanted to solve problems in many areas of life. In addition to his kitchen inventions, he also created other helpful devices. For example, he invented a casket-lowering device that made funerals more dignified and respectful. Before his invention, lowering a casket into the ground was difficult and sometimes caused accidents. Albert's device used pulleys and ropes to make this process safer and smoother. He also invented a hame fastener in 1882, which helped attach horses to wagons more securely, and an insect destroyer in 1899, which protected plants from harmful bugs without hurting the plants themselves. These inventions showed Albert's wide range of interests and his desire to make life better in many different ways. Albert C. Richardson's inventions had a big impact on society. His butter churn made it easier for families to make their own butter at home, saving time and effort. The improved rolling pin helped bakers create delicious treats with less hassle. His other inventions, like the casket-lowering device and the hame fastener, improved safety and efficiency in their respective fields. Albert's creativity and determination inspire us to look at the world around us and think about how we can make it better. By observing everyday tasks and finding ways to improve them, we can continue his legacy of innovation and positive change. Albert C. Richardson was an African-American inventor who used his talents to make life easier for many people. His inventions, such as the butter churn and improvements to the rolling pin, changed the way people worked in their kitchens and beyond. By learning about his life and contributions, we can appreciate the importance of creativity and problem-solving in making the world a better place. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.